In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, TVJ's Kian Morgan highlights the work of a hairstylist who has been helping cancer patients.
A ray of hope.
It's a known fact when people are diagnosed with cancer, their world turns upside down as their health declines and their medical expenses climb. But if that's not enough, some have to deal with depression and changes to their physical appearance. It's a struggle Tanya Daniels understands and experienced when her father was diagnosed with prostate cancer.
I've actually saw cancer firsthand, and it was really heartrending. My dad, he had bleeding in his urine. He was unable to walk for a while.
Tanya is the owner and hairstylist of Urban Chic Salon in Portmore, St. Catherine. She decided to help cancer patients suffering from hair loss due to treatment by donating wigs.
No one wants to walk around, with a bald head. I had a patient that she said she was really overwhelmed receiving the wig because the wig actually made her feel better. She can go out in the public without anybody know that she have this disease fighting, so it really helps.
Tanya says so far she has been getting good feedback and wants to do more than donating wigs.
Most of the patients that I've done so far, they are having difficulties with funding for chemotherapy and medications and also food. So this charity is aiming towards helping more.
Tanya has since started a charity called I Am a Survivor. She's encouraging others to help those fighting a battle with cancer.
We don't want to just be living and not giving. Let us give back so that we can help these persons fight cancer.
And for those struggling, she gave a word of encouragement.
That it is not the end. Going through this, you can actually fight it and pull through. You can survive.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A ray of hope.